course. You're definitely earning at least 10 cents an hour now. Richard might be up to 12 because he's been promoted. Yeah? Well, look at you. What are you doing? You expect to be paid for doing that? Standing around chewing gum?
We already did.
Is it too much, Richard? Okay. Have you got 15 in that box now?
15.
So you're starting a new box. You can just leave it there. Leave it there. Yep.
I'll put this one on the note stuff.
Yeah, good idea.
Now I don't have to do that. Do you spend most of your time doing this?
The last week, I did.
What?
Not all the time, but once they start, spend quite a bit of time taking the engraving and taking the old
Are you getting the hang of it, Richard? What's it at? 4 pounds. Still a couple too many.
Well, you don't have to be exactly on the 3.5. If it's a shade below or a shade over, you know.
That was at 4.